What's up guys, Kicker here back with another video, and today I'm going to be going over what is inside of my baseball bag. Now I know some of these videos do get a bunch of views, and we're just trying to get, a bunch of views on this video to, make some money, get some more subs, to make sure we don't go below 400 subscribers, because that would not be good. Before we get into it, go down, drop a like, also hit that red subscribe button. Also, don't forget to follow the Instagram _kick_crew_. Don't forget to hit that notifications bell. Everything's set, so let's hop right into the video. So now hopping into the bag, and at first glance, nothing special. What do you expect from a regular baseball player's baseball bag? And one thing you'll notice is that I have this holding my bag together. And that is because I kind of ripped or broke off my zipper that would hold my bag together. And if I didn't have that on there, it would kind of like let all my stuff drop out, and that's not what I want. It honestly makes it better because I don't have a zipper, but if I had a zipper, it would make it a lot less work to get stuff out. So hopping right into it, always on my wood bat is this Rawlings Gold Glove Elite. It says GG Elite right there, pretty nice. It also is a 12-inch glove, as it says right there. I mean, I've had this thing for a few years. I did not get this glove steamed. I broke it in just by playing a bunch of catch and stuff. I mean, I had to get a new glove because when I closed it, that would happen, and that is not what you want. Probably because I had my fingers positioned wrong. I know a bunch of big leaguers have like 2 fingers in the pinky spot, and the other one's just like their middle finger in their ring finger spot, and some of them will have like their pointer finger out like I do, or some of them will have it in the middle finger spot. It's just like pushing your fingers over one spot, but it's fine. I mean, because when you do that, it actually lines us up and makes the glove in better condition. I did not get that one steamed. I'm pretty sure I said that. I am not sure though. I mean, that was a good glove. I've had it for a few years. I mean, I just used that thing so much. I just needed a new one. And on to the next item in my bag is always on the bat I use is the Wilson A2000. I think this is a Pedroia fit by like Justin Pedroia or whatever his name is. I'm pretty sure that's what his name is. What is it, like second baseman for like, I haven't checked on him in a long time. I'm pretty sure, what is it, for Boston? I think second baseman for Boston. This is just a great glove overall. I mean, it's an A2000 by Wilson. I mean, it's the only thing that is wrong with this glove is that it takes years to break in. I mean, not actually years, it just takes a long time to break in. You can field and play catch so many times, and it'll just break it in a little bit, and it won't take out any stiffness. I mean, that's the only part I don't like about this, but otherwise it's a great glove, great material. I mean, what size is this? This is 11 1/4 inches. This is my infield glove, and I wear this for like outfield and stuff, because that one I can catch the ball more easily, and it's longer, so I can have a longer reach if I need to dive or something for a ball. I mean, this is just a great glove. This is the glove I use currently. I mean, I got this for my birthday. This is one of my favorite items in my bag. On to the next item is actually my bats. Now, always on the right side or the left side. If the bag's facing this way, it's on the left side or whatever it is my Marucci bat. This is a wooden bat. As you can tell by the sound, that's wood. Now I'm not sure what type of wood this is. I could check, but I'm not sure. This is just a great bat. I mean, this is a 32-inch, 20-ounce. I'm pretty sure this is a great bat. I mean, I'll use this for like, what is it? I'll use it for a batting practice for a game to get my bat speed up. So, because if you swing a heavier bat, I'll put a bat weight on it when I'm on the on-deck circle. Swing and make my bat speed faster. And I'll also use it for batting practice, get some reps with it. I mean, this is like my warm-up bat. I also got this nice lizard skin bat tape on it. I mean, I love that stuff. I got white, and you probably won't be able to see that. But also, it's turning pretty brown because I've used this thing for a long time. Now, I'm gonna hope that doesn't fall while I grab the next item. And this is the bat that I use currently. This is a DeMarini. Did I just say DeMarini? I'm so used to saying DeMarini because that is what I normally would use when I was playing like travel ball and stuff like that. What did I have for travel ball? Like last year I did DeMarini CF8 drop 10 31 inch. Yeah, that's what I have. But this is a Louisville Slugger Solo 617. Now, this bat, I just love this bat so much. The only thing that is, it's weird, the transition is, because you've been, like, using the year before when you're 12, you'll be using, like, bats with, like, drop 11, drop 10. I know some kids are out there using drop 13s. Now, I know I would never do that. I was more like a drop 9, drop 10, you know. And the transition is pretty big, because, like, 7 or 8 ounces may not seem that big, but it's actually a pretty big difference when it comes to bat speed. I mean, it just slows it down a bunch more, and you need bat speed to get the ball to travel further. You know, I mean, this bat is a 31-inch drop 3, making it 28 ounces. This is the bat I use currently. This is a BB core. I'm pretty sure. What is this, aluminum? This is also, the barrel is also 2 5/8 inches. Yeah, that's what. Yeah, that's it. 2 5/8 inches. I'm not sure what this one is. Let's see if it's. This one might be just. I'm not sure. Is this 2 1/4 inches? It might be. I'm not sure. This. I mean, it's just a great bat. I read reviews that saying this is the best bat out of all the Louisville Slugger BB cores. People say that the 917 is the best when other people say this is the best. I mean, it doesn't really matter to me. It's just a good bat. Now, hopping into what's actually inside the bag. I've had this bag for a long time. Now, to get to my batting gloves, I gotta take this off. Pretty annoying. Oh, this is actually hard to get off. There we go. And then I gotta unzip this, and I have this thing where my batting gloves are. I got some, what are these? These are some Franklins. I've had these for like almost 2 years now, 1 or 2 years. I think it might have been 2 or 1.5, I'm not sure. They're blue. I got them to match my team colors. I mean, I just love these gloves. I've been using them every single time I went up to bat. You know, I mean, I just use them so much. Just great gloves. I really like the Franklins. I've had like Under Armour. I remember having a pair of Under Armours, but they were total cheeks. I also had some Louisville Sluggers. Those were pretty nice. Those gloves are done. So now I'm gonna go into what's inside. Now I got my helmet. I need a new one. This thing is way too small. I mean, I'm pretty sure my team is actually gonna be getting some new helmets, but I'm not sure. I'm pretty sure some helmets and some bags and stuff like that. Just gonna set that over there, and you already know. Water that's been in my bag probably since the last game I've played. You always gotta have that in there, you know, just in case. And you can't go to a game without this. You cannot go to a game without some David's Ranch sunflower seeds. If you don't like the ranch, you are a bad person. Man, I don't know why if some people hate, I mean, sunflower seeds, I don't know why. They're just so good, man. These are just great. I think that's basically it for what's, you know what, there's some more stuff. Here's a sleeve, you know. That smells pretty bad. Let me show you this. I got this a little while ago, maybe a year and a half ago. I got this, I'm pretty sure 3 years ago. That doesn't smell too bad. It smells actually pretty good. And then this. Okay, I wore this for my whole season last year. I'm pretty sure this smells. Oh yeah, that smells horrible. But it's fine. You know, and then the last thing in this little pocket is some chapstick. Because, you know, you never know when you're going to need some Burt's Bees chapstick. And that basically sums up all I've got in my bag. I mean, I could go show you my cleats, but I don't think I'm going to do that. I mean, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Comment down below if you want to see Ryan's baseball bag. I mean, I don't really know what I'm supposed to say. I'm just trying to make the outro. Well, that concludes the video today, guys. Hope you guys enjoyed. You know, don't forget, go down, drop a like. Also, hit that red subscribe button. Don't forget to hit that notification bell so you get notified when we post. Just hit 400 subs. Thank you guys for that. I mean, don't forget to follow the Instagram _kick_crew_. You know, to get notified even before we post a new video. I mean, subscribe to join the crew. Everything said. So, Kick Crew signing off.